Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Patriot and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now replacing the headlight light bulbs on this vehicle is very easy. Both sides are quite easily accessible and you can do it in under 2 minutes. Most of other vehicles will have a bunch of things on the way, but here there is not much. Okay, so first I will show you this side. I will try to turn the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So you will see this green connector right here, and you'll see these two black tabs, right? So all you have to do, you have to turn this counterclockwise, just like this, you see, and then pull it straight out and you will get access to the light bulb. Okay, now once you have removed the headlight light bulb from the headlight assembly, you will have to disconnect it from the socket, right? Now to do that, first you'll want to push out this red safety tab, and then you just have to press onto this green tab to be able to pull the light bulb out. So to do this, you'll have to use something like a flat screwdriver just to push this red tab down and then disconnect the bulb. Okay, now usually this red tab should be all the way in. In your case, most likely it will be, and then just push it out. In my case, I don't have to push it too much, just a bit enough to be able to unlock this green tab. Okay, let me see. You see, you have to be able to push this green tab. If this red piece is over the tab inside there, then you won't be able to remove it, but mine is unlocked, as you can see. And now all you have to do, push this tab and pull the bulb out while you are holding this tab. Okay, so I'll try to do it with one hand here. Okay, and that's it, right? Once you get a new light bulb, you just plug it straight in and put it inside the socket and turn it clockwise. Now I will show you the other side as well. Okay, now the other side, pretty much same thing, very easy accessible. You want to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, you see, and then pull it straight out. And same thing, to remove the bulb, push this green tab. Once you have replaced the bulb, you just want to insert it back in and turn it clockwise this time to lock it in place. You just have to hit the right spot. Okay, that's it. So this is unlock, lock. Okay, one more time, unlock and lock, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.